Well, there's something wiggling and gyrating behind me and also in the sky over Fort Lauderdale Beach that's attracting a lot of attention. Tonight, CBS 4's Brian Andrews takes us to the top of the tallest building there to see how the ocean breeze is turning into clean energy while also turning heads and tons of metal.
Whether from right up close, or from a considerable distance away.
You can see it from 595, you can see it from 95, and you can see it when you cruise into Fort Lauderdale.
It's a major attention grabber.
I think they're pretty.
They are dancing in the wind, as we say, and they really are beautiful. I mean, it is kind of mesmerizing.
They are truly one of a kind. Does anything like this exist anywhere else in Florida?
Nowhere in Florida. This is the only place.
Right now, the Fort Lauderdale Beach Hilton is the only hotel in the nation to have them.
It's amazing. It's a new icon in Fort Lauderdale.
Hilton's Thomas Vago took me up on the roof to see what the hotel spent 7 years and more than $750,000 to install. An investment they say will pay for itself through energy savings in about a decade.
It is saving us roughly $50,000 a year.
But more than energy savings, these 6 wind turbines that became fully operational just a few months back are making clean, green energy the hotel is actually putting to work.
Each of them generate 4,000 kilowatts, so 24,000 altogether. If we take all of the electricity what these turbines generate, I don't have to tap into the Florida power grid.
The turbines are definitely a tourist attraction as they dance in the wind some 27 stories up.
I think that they are awesome. It's nice to look at, and it's a great cause.
They're really like the windmills, like when you're a child. So it's really something nice.
But some may wonder, how will they hold up in the threat of a hurricane?
These wind turbines actually can endure 140 miles wind.
In the event of a serious storm, the turbines are retractable.
The hydraulic folds the wind turbines down, all 6 of them in 1 hour, and we secure them and we put the brakes on it.
They really are pretty spectacular.
Hilton's Lisa Cole beamed as she explained the benefit of green initiatives like this for the entire chain.
We have saved over $250 million in utility cost savings across the globe because of initiatives like this. They're certainly iconic, but they're doing more because they're saving part of the earth. And isn't that what we all want to do?
On Fort Lauderdale Beach, Brian Andrews, CBS 4 News.